Hi everyone, it's Pinay New Yorker again with another uncupping video of a Lego haul. This involves the cup and a half I had from the time that I went to the Rockefeller Lego store and I did a stacked versus unstacked cup. So this is what I came up with after all that stacking with the space fillers and everything. Plus I did a half cup with these parts that the brother had requested. So for the first one, let's do the half cup first. So as you can see, this one, I believe I keep this myself because they had a dispenser at the counter. And here goes. So this is a half cup, which we will now sort. Okay, so for the first half cup, the size, this is what I was able to get, primarily filling it up with this piece, which I heard is not very easy to find, but is in the pick-a-brick wall constantly right now. And I just decided to get these as parts that were hard to find or that were needed for the garden the brother is building. So again, this is for half the cup. Let's do the next cup, a full jar next. Okay, so this is the full cup where I stacked the special bricks, or I stacked this one and then filled the cup with other space fillers. So this is going to be easier to sort because these were already stacked. So like I said, this was a very pretty straightforward uncupping or unboxing because I had determinedly put in this part, which I did in a separate video. The link will be provided below. I did stacked versus unstacked, so I was able to compress it some, but didn't really have enough room except for space fillers like this one and the studs, the red studs. So that's what I did. I will do a separate video or a short, as I think I have a half a cup of this now that would fit into something like this. And I will do a short on how much would fit in this cup and actually count them for you. That way, when you order and you need certain parts, you would have a better sense of whether when you say a quarter cup or half a cup, you actually get the parts that you need. And just as a reminder, the way I stacked this was I did single rows, put them on the sides because that fits nicely at the bottom. And then I wasn't able to fill it though because I had run out of time. So I did do the sides like that, like so. And then I stacked the quarter pillars inside like so. Okay. Thank you for watching. I have another unboxing video I'm going to do from the White Plains Lego store over at the Westchester Mall. And I will do that separately only because that's a different haul. Thank you for watching. Do like, subscribe, and hit the notifications bell or not. But I do try to make Lego updates every 1 to 2 weeks now. And I'm very excited because I'm trying to do my own creation soon. But I'm just a beginner. This is really for the brother. Thank you.